Okay, now this right here, this assignment is why a student or anybody should know what percents, what happens. Because a lot of times what you see is you go to a store, something's $60. And they say, oh, but you get a special, it's 15% off. Well, what that means you do is you take $60 and you can subtract some dollar amount off the price. So write that, okay? $60 minus some dollar amount. But it's not 15 because it's not $15, it's 15%. Now to figure out the dollars amount, you do exactly what you did yesterday. You take that percent 15, divide it by 100, and I'm going to cross this out and write 0.15. Now we multiply these two because that finds what 15% of $60 is. Okay, you multiply those two, times them. Okay, after you make that a decimal, you times those. So 60 times 0.15, and I got 9. So that's how much money is taken off the price because 15% of $60 is 9. So I take 60 minus 9, and that's 51. Okay, so that's your final price, $51. Okay, $150 with a 20% off. So again, take your price, whatever this thing cost, and you know that if you get a percent off, there's money that you get to subtract, make it cheaper. So to find out what that is, I need to find what 20% of $150 is. So again, I take my percent, which is 20, and divide it by 100, 0.2. So scribble that out, put 0.2, and then we multiply. Okay, so 0.2 times 150 gives me $30. Now, you don't want to just put 30 there because that's not the answer. The $30 is how much you get to subtract. So 150 minus 30 is 120. Okay, $400 with 30% off. Set up your subtraction. So 400 minus a dollar amount. Now, it's not 30 because it's not $30. So what we need to do is divide that by 100. So 30 divided by 100, just like yesterday, so 0.3. And then I need to multiply those two to find out what I should put there. So 400 times 0.3 is $120. Okay. So 400 minus 120 is $280. Okay, so there's our answer, $280. So just put that in the answer box, and there we have it. Okay, something, whatever, costs $36, 15% off. So put your price, $36, minus another dollars amount. Now to find what the dollars amount is, we got to find what 15% of 36 is. So we divide the percent by 100. So 0.15. And then we're going to times those two. 0.15 times 36. And I get 5.4. So just put 5.4. That's fine. It's like 540. So I take 36 minus 5.40. And I get 30.6. Now, if you only have one number after the decimal, you need to add a 0. So it's 30.60. Okay, and then you have 4 of your own to do. So remember, you take the money, minus it, divide that by 100 and multiply, and then that's what you'll minus, and you'll have your answer. Pretty slick.